Orthopedic World Congress 2025 is going to be held in Madrid, Spain. The holding time is 3 to 5 September. Every year, CICOT holds a congress which attracts thousands of clinicians and researchers from all over the world. 3,000 delegates are expected in CICOT Madrid 2025. Scientific papers and lectures are presented in the traditional fields. World-class invited speakers provide contemporary thought on the latest concepts as well as on conservative and surgical treatment methods. They provide a forum for presentation of original work and for education. CICOT's annual Orthopedic World Congress is a truly global gathering of orthopedists from over 110 member nations and others besides. CICOT is an international non-profit association incorporated under Belgian law. If your company has a chance to attend Orthopedic World Congress 2025 in Madrid, please contact us for the stand design and construction. Welcome to attend Orthopedic World Congress 2025. Welcome to visit Spain.